It's because your pants are so short.
It is, that's why.
I'll put it back together. We're done. Done with
can
it.
see it.
That's crazy. That's a crazy statement.
He said, am I good? I said, yeah.
So this time we have to talk real loud.
No, does your edit? Today in the shop, we're changing the brakes, the front brakes on this truck and the blue truck, and we're changing the hub because it's leaking and it smells really bad. And we're supposed to be changing my windshields and my little windshield wiper squirters, but it's about 30,000 degrees in here, so that's probably not gonna happen. That's why I have no shirt on. Chloe's here with her flaky skin today. She's learning and bonding with Lola so that she can watch the dogs while we're gone sometimes. Other than that, that's all I got for you, but that's the plan. Coming out. Got it. Ready, I'm gonna pick it up or let me push it in.
First off.
I had it in backwards. Have it. Been that bitch.
Oh man. What a day. Is it Monday?
It feels like it. Well, for us it is the first day we've done anything
That went yesterday.
in 2 weeks. But I had to use my mind.
Well, you weren't really using it right there, so we'll try again tomorrow.
This is my first step of the day.
Oh yeah, spin it. Feel the fan, so nice.
Yeah, that is really nice. What's we doing?
Clean it. You should just do this one.
What?
Just pick it up.
Well, that was my hand tightening strength. So you need a man. Girl power.
Where'd you find that rag?
It was on the table. We need to get some more of these. Everyone always is like, oh, y'all didn't actually do anything. Y'all are so clean. We just replaced the wheel seal. And it's just being a clean person. It's really not that hard.
She didn't do anything, that's how she's supposed to.
Just don't roll around in it. If Blake had gloves on, he'd be so clean right now. That's the only part that's dirty on me. Maybe my knees.
My fingers.
My fingers. It's not that hard. People are always commenting, they're like, oh my god, they didn't do shit. They haven't done anything. They're so clean. And then they'll like post a picture of them just like black. It's not that hard. wasn't too bad, was it, Chloe?
No.
So what's the key for you staying clean?
Yeah.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Just like stand here, you know?
You know?
Yeah.
You know?
I'm gonna take this out real quick.
Okay.
Well, so it looks different than the one on your car, but yeah, same
Yeah.
thing.
You got it.
See? You just doubting yourself.
She's gonna be so smart, guys.
Maybe
Well.
I maybe do know like a thing or two.
A thing or yeah, just maybe
Do you
one.
got your pliers and your vice grips?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Never prepared. Ever. What do you say? It's not something too
13 steps of you.
That's you.
Where are they all?
Mm-hmm.
That's weird. So you hook those and then you push it apart to put little sort of things in?
Hold this for a second.
Yep.
I'm gonna go grab a paddle.
Got it?
Got it?
Yep. Great job.
Good job. Good job, guys.
We're trying a new technique. I have no idea what he's doing.
Well, I'm doing great.
I need to just get you that little brake tool for the spring.
Got a tool.
I see a finger getting smashed here in a second. Am I supposed to still be holding it? And then you go under it.
Push it back up.
Okay.
Push it up.
I got it, I got it. You need the kind that has like a little groove in the middle.
What is this new technique we're trying?
I don't know. Oh, did you get it?
And I keep pushing it away.
Yeah, he's trying to hook the springs first so they're not as far apart. But my little noodle arms aren't holding it up. I've been working out. I can do a 22-pound curl now.
Okay.
Fight for my life, but you know, well, something going there now. Oh, it's not fried. I thought you already had it.
Yeah.
How high
You
I
gotta
gotta
pull so I can get this in there.
Okay.
Without dropping it on my fingers.
Oh fuck, dude. I'm gonna.
Beep.
Ready? Oh my god, you're making me nervous. Get it in there.
It's in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can I let it go?
Yeah.
Okay, move your finger.
Slowly.
Move your finger.
I gotta put it in the hole.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So,
Dude, that's a way easier way to do that. You saw it on TikTok or what? Did I hurt you?
no, my finger hurts.
Did you see that on TikTok or what?
It's always just in my mind, babe.
He saw it on TikTok. For sure.
Talk.
Usually we put those gold things in first. And then he fights them springs for like 45 minutes.
I don't fight anything. These fucking ones.
Show them your gains.
It's not for the public.
It's so good.
I thought she had the photo.
So she's searching for a photo so that they can make fun of somebody. It's so bad.
I'm not gonna take a photo of anybody. I'm just gonna state some facts real quick.
Oh, I was gonna say that we needed to be mic'd up. Because people couldn't hear us, because usually I'm like right here recording.
Oh.
So
That
this
would be
time
smart.
maybe just does
So this time we have to talk real loud.
no does yours? You guys tight on this side. Like 2 weeks ago, one of my springs popped and we saw it and sent it, and look, not a good idea. I mean, I guess it didn't wear through, but that's not great. What do you think, Blake?
I'm about to sell everything.
He thinks that living on an island will solve all his problems, but he'll just be bored.
Just leave it. I don't need to spin it anymore.
We pulled all this off, and we didn't know it, but this axle seal is leaking too. And Blake went up into the Connex, and we don't have one, of course. So we're putting everything back together so we can take it back apart tomorrow afternoon. So Blake is pretty pissed.
Are we changing them on this side?
No, I put it back together. We're done. Done with today. Tired of it. Tired of it today.
Well, now that happened, we're supposed to be going to the beach Saturday. It's Thursday. It doesn't look like that's gonna work out, but I guess I wanted to clean the inside of my truck, and Blake wanted to clean the cab of his truck, so I guess we're gonna do that now. And then we have to go to dinner with Blake's parents for his dad's birthday and Father's Day. So we have like, I don't know, 45 minutes or an hour. So we're gonna do that. And then tomorrow, Chloe's gonna go get parts for us. And then I still have to do my back drop axle, the brakes. I gotta change my windshields out. We really didn't get that much done today, so it kind of sucks.
Yeah. No, our job is truck drivers.
Well, that's what I was asking you earlier. If what's his name comes out to work on that stuff. Just had dad so far. It's bad.
I'm the age of everybody's dad, so back the fuck off.
You don't have to dress like it. You were
I didn't. Somebody left them.
You were just at the beach talking shit to everybody about their long ass shorts.
Yeah, that's not my fault.
And then he walks out and they're like under his knees.
This is my Monster Energy hat. Now they fucking done.
Your star tattoo on your shoulder.
No, on my chest.
Yeah, oh, right above your titty.
Yeah.
Little tribal graphics on your shoulder.
Fucking sunshine around my belly button.
Oh no. That's a lie.
It's not a lie.
It is a lie.
I said, am I good? Yeah, you're good.
No, I backed him in the night before, watched all this stuff. He hit the tree like
Okay,
slowly.
look. Talking
It was fine. Everything was fine. The next morning, he goes to pull out and wham! Bends that bitch back.
But how is that my fault? I can't see the stack. It's the passenger side. I said, am I good?
You didn't ask me to look at it or to
I
watch
said,
it.
am I good? You're sitting in the truck right next to me.
That's the one, that branch you hit and bent that on is the brick.
Oh my god, it's so cold. When you dream, you like don't remember.
No, I watched
what
the whole
happens.
thing happen. I said, yeah, go slow.
You hear that? She watched the whole thing happen,
He hit
but
it
she
the night
didn't see
before.
it. That's crazy. That's a crazy statement.
He said, am I good? I said, yeah.
Yeah, I watched
go
the
slow.
whole thing
And then
happen.
he sends that bitch
So
out of the
then what does Blake got to do? Drive around with a busted ass stack
You
now.
know what the best part is? We have the exact same tip sitting in the shop. I said, why don't you change it out? No, fuck that. I'm not doing that. That's
You know
what-
why?
Why?
Because my partner that's supposed to watch me
Yeah.
doesn't fucking do it. I got swimmies on. Now my fucking butthole's all wet. The actual hole.
That's what I meant to do. What do you yell at me if I don't wash it fast enough?
Because you thought.
I love it.
The inside of the top of the truck, but they had lots of wood. Oh.